In this video, I'm going to show you 17 benefits of drinking moringa tea every day. Moringa tea is a beverage made by steeping dried moringa leaves in hot water for several minutes. This refreshing tea increases wellness and vitality. The moringa leaves contain a high concentration of nutrients, and they have the ability to retain them when dried. Moringa has received a lot of attention in recent years for its ability to help lose weight. A great deal of research money has been poured into this small tree, which is also called drumstick tea or miracle tea. The plant is native to India and Pakistan. Generally, the root and extracts from the plant can be toxic and should be avoided, but the leaves, flowers, stems, seeds, bark, and fruit are all available and recommended for health. Let's take a look at the amazing benefits of moringa tea. Number 1. Weight loss. Moringa tea, with its powerful nutrient profile, helps boost metabolism, burn calories, balance sugar levels, boost digestion, and increase energy levels. This is why a cup of moringa tea is an excellent addition to a weight loss diet. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Known primarily as an anti-inflammatory tea, moringa is excellent for reducing inflammation of the tissues and cells throughout the body, relieving pain, chronic aches, and joint disorders, as well as gout, stomach upsets, headaches, and fever. This is one of the main reasons why moringa is considered a cure-all in many countries. Number 3. Rich source of antioxidants. Moringa tea has high antioxidant power, which helps fight free radicals. Researchers found that moringa leaves contain 46 natural antioxidants. Now, these powerful bioactive compounds help maintain, restore, and repair human cells. Number 4. Skin care. With its high concentration of vitamin C and bioflavonoids, moringa tea is a highly nourishing drink for the skin. It is an anti-aging drink which boosts collagen production, prevents the formation of fine lines, and increases the moisture and the youthfulness of the skin. Its anti-inflammatory nature helps fight acne breakouts. Number 5. Boosts immune system. High levels of antioxidants make this tea an excellent way to boost the immune system and protect against common cold and flu symptoms. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells and acts as an antioxidant to slow down oxidative stress and the weakened immune system that results from it. Number 6. Improves healing rate. Vitamin C in moringa tea is not just good for the immune system, but also for the creation of new cells in the body. This results in faster healing, particularly for someone who is recovering from an injury or extended illness. Number 7. Controls diabetes. There are certain blood sugar and cholesterol-lowering effects of moringa tea, which make it important for diabetics or people at risk of diabetes. By reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, your chances of developing diabetes are lowered. Number 8. Aids in digestion. The anti-inflammatory nature of this tea makes it ideal for soothing stomach upsets, calming diarrhea and constipation symptoms, and generally improving gastrointestinal health. Number 9. Manages depression and migraines. Moringa tea can act as an antidepressant as it balances serotonin and dopamine levels, which are key to pain perception and mood regulations. According to a 2012 study, moringa showed the ability to treat and manage migraines and chronic headaches. Number 10. Boosts heart health. A significant content of potassium makes this tea excellent for lowering blood pressure, as potassium can ease tension in arteries and blood vessels. Moringa tea also has a soothing quality that helps relax the body and mind. Number 11. Boosts cognition. The antioxidants found in moringa tea, as well as the other neuroprotective vitamins and nutrients, help make moringa tea a true brain booster. Research has shown that this tea has the ability to regulate neurotransmitter levels, which can affect memory and cognitive strength. Number 12. Balances hormones. Packed with antioxidants, moringa tea helps regulate hormones. It has the therapeutic potential for the prevention of hormone imbalance complications during postmenopause. Number 13. Relieves menstrual cramps. Drinking a cup of moringa tea can help alleviate menstrual cramps, nausea, bloating, mood swings, and migraines during the menstruation cycle. Number 14. Energy booster. If you're looking for a non-caffeinated drink that can give you an energy boost, Moringa tea could be the answer. The tea helps increase vitality and overall wellness and has no sugar or caffeine. Number 15. Antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Moringa tea can be effective against certain kinds of bacteria, as it has powerful antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. The tea can help prevent boils, skin infections, common digestive problems, blood impurities, and urinary tract infections. Number 16. Promotes liver health. Moringa tea, packed with polyphenols, helps heal and protect the liver from toxicity. According to a study, moringa restores liver enzymes, which helps it function at its optimal best to produce bile, detoxify the blood, and metabolize fats. Number 17. Hair care. Moringa tea has high levels of iron, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, and protein, which are all essential amino acids. These nutrients help promote hair growth and maintenance, prevent dandruff and dry hair, and regulate sebum. Intake of moringa tea is also known to prevent split ends in hair strands. So, how do you make moringa tea? Moringa nutritious tea can be prepared easily at home. Just follow these simple steps. Number 1. Take 3 to 4 stalks of moringa and use the mature leaves to make tea as they dry quickly. Number 2. Air dry the stalks and the leaves till they become crisp. You do not need to separate them, as most people love to include them in the process of making tea due to their high fiber content. Number 3. Scoop the dried moringa leaves into a blender and grind. Number 4. Add hot water and allow the leaves to steep for 3 to 5 minutes, or until the color changes. Number 5. Mix in honey to taste. Now, you can also use lemon if you want. I hope you've enjoyed this video on 17 benefits of drinking moringa tea every day. If you have, please give this video the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 14 unbelievable uses and benefits of moringa oil for hair, skin, and healing. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.